Hey guys, look at me Kitty Gage here. Welcome back to another video. So guys, I'm sorry that I did not get to the update. I did not get to make a video this week at all, but I'm doing it Saturday today. And it is the Night of the Phantoms. Woo! That is the best. The Night of the Phantoms is like the best day ever. And if you don't know what the Night of the Phantoms are in Animal Jam, it's basically Halloween in Animal Jam. But they call it the Night of the Phantoms because that's when the Phantoms come out to play. And I made that myself. I did not copy that from anywhere, so. Anyways, I am really excited. This is the best time ever. Like, this is like my favorite part of October and Halloween. Like, seriously. I think I just sneeze. Hold on. Alright, I'm good. So, we're here in the Jamar Journal, and the Night of the Phantoms! Woohoo! Alright, so it says, Night of the Phantoms has arrived. At long last, the darkness approaches, and it's coming fast. What? And it's coming on fast. There are fun items, pets, and parties all waiting to unfold. So prepare for the spooky surprises. Some are new and some are old. Oh, what is this? Spooky egg extravaganza. Oh my god, that is so cool. All around Jamaa, something's crawled inside the nest. There are 3 brand new hatchlings. Which do you like the best? Adopt an extravaganza pet and you're in for a scare. These Night of the Phantom pets aren't available elsewhere. That is really cool. I am ready to get that kid. It's the Epic Haunted Manor. Ooh, the Haunted Hideout bundle. It's gonna take me a while to read, so I'm just gonna quickly go for this. So it's just like spooky stuff. Spooky, scary skeleton and spider. Pet tarantulas. Oh, spooky armor. Ooh, that's really cool. Items and Yay! Coming soon. Ooh, that I am ready for. I'm ready for those spooky snow leopards. Bittersweet. Alright. Monsters. Spooky, scary skeletons. Haunted forest party. That is cool. It's like moving furniture or something. Oh, it's in play a lot. Alright, that is cool. That's really cool. So let's spin the member daily spin. And guys, I am sorry that I did not get to upload on Monday. I was on a trip for my school and I stayed overnight, so I'm sorry about that. And I honestly have no idea what their random Monday was, but that doesn't matter. We are going to change our look, and we are going to become the Halloween Masters, or at least try to. That we could actually use. Oh my god, I could be a Bumblebee for Halloween, for the Night of the Phantoms. That would be really cute. Um, but let's do this one. Let's like change myself up. And we are also going to be going into Jamaa Township. And this is fun because in Jamaa Township, that is the best place to go during the Night of the Phantoms because that is where all the fun stuff happens. So that's wonderful. Now we have to wait for this to load, but this is going to take probably forever to load. Oh, what? There we go. It's loading. It's loading. It's loading. Loading. And I'm just really happy for this because this is like every Halloween, guys, or every Night of the Phantoms, I will be like really excited because this is like my favorite time ever. Alright, now let's go. Whoa, oh my god, this is like really packed because this is the best time of the year, and that's why Dumont Township is packed and it is very laggy. What on earth is happening? Alright, I can't move anywhere. This is just like, alright, I'm going to my den. I can't. It's just too packed, like way too packed. And I'm going to be in. So this is my den that I was using for a yard sale type of thing. You know what I mean? But we are going to be getting the new den. I am excited for that because the new dens are always the best dens. Especially when it comes to the Halloween Manor, that one is the best. Well, it's not like the best, but it's like the best. If you know what I mean. Here it is. For 5 diamonds, I will buy the Epic Haunted Manor, and I will appreciate it. Did I get it? Yay! Epic Haunted Manor! Let's go into that den, because that den is the the best. Okay, this is wonderful. I want to get to this first. I want to go get an animal, like one of the new pets. I'm trying to remember where you could find them. Oh, you can go to the Temple of Cyrus. They have them in there. But I am not too sure what we are going to look. Oh, that koala is scared. Whoa, that's a scary boy right there. That is a one of a kind scary boy right there. All right, let's see. Oh my god. I'm tired. But that doesn't matter because we are going to be trying to get the new egg animal thing. I would like to get the new egg, please. I want to get a new pet, please. Please let me get one. Please let me get an egg. Oh my god, this is just so laggy. I can't. What for a long? I'll take 5 black long for my silver long. Scamming? No, I'm kidding. I won't scam. Because I would never scam because scamming is not cool. Right? If you scam, you get banned. So, scammer got scammed. Right. But let's see if they have them in here. I doubt it though, but let's just see. What? What did I just do? Oh my god! Alright, this is like really cute. Blue is my favorite color, so I want to do like blue and like a different color. No. Let's try out this blue. See what this blue is like. Oh, that's a nice one. Does it not? What does a second color do? Alright, we're going to be. What about this lime green? Maybe that would be cool. Nah, yellow. Nah, not really. This blue. That blue. Oh yes, that blue is like perfect. Alright, now for the eyes. This is like what? To be honest, I don't even know what this is. But I'll just click on that one, I guess. I don't know if anything got chosen because this is like really laggy. Alright, what is it? Ooh, I can choose stripes. Ooh, that one is cute, actually. Wait, can I choose like different one? Ooh, I can choose a skull, a spider, a bat, and a skull. I like the skull. That one is really cute. I love the skull. Whoa, whoa. These are really cool. Alright, I like this one with the gook and the bleh. Blah, blah, blah. Alright, we're going to use that, and we're going to buy it for 3 diamonds, and we have purchased it. And this is wonderful. Now let me go to my den where it's not laggy. Hopefully. Is it laggy? Oh, thank the Lord. It's not as laggy, but it's still kind of laggy. But we're going to make myself look very pretty by making myself look very Halloweenish, kind of. So I actually like the colors that I have, but I'm going to change this. Maybe make it like a Halloween color. Ooh, that one is nice. Alright. I want to be a clown. I'm semi-clown, so I'm not really a clown. To be honest, I don't even know what that was. But we are going to scroll through my items, and wait. I can be a Juno thing. Someone that looks like Juno, kind of, not really. Let's see, what else do we have here? I could be a Sabretooth. Um, I can be a rainbow person, because I have like rainbow stuff. That would be cool. But I think being someone like Juno is the best. Unless I just like mix some stuff up. Ooh, I can look like some creepy thing. I don't know what creepy thing though, but I could look like some sort of creepy thing. Let's just do that. And then do I have a cool I like this the best. No, I gotta look Halloweenish. What am I doing? I gotta look like I fit in with Halloween. What am I doing? Alright, there we go. And we're gonna do neck item. See what neck item. Ooh, I could do like a worn out spike. Do I have any that's like that Halloween colored? I mean, like I have a rainbow mustache, but it doesn't do anything. I guess that'll work. And then let's go for a back item. I have a B shirt. I'm trying to find something cute. You know what? That's good. That's good enough. This is gonna turn out horrible, but you know what? That's what it's gonna have to be. I think these floating fantasy wristband things would be good. And then last but not least, the tail. Let's see. Ooh, rocker tail, elf tail. Perfect. Wow, I look amazing. Wow. Alright. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.